So this is the sum from R.S. Agarwal, exercise 10A. Question number 16. A dealer sold a camera for rupees 1080, getting 1 by 8 of its cost price. Find the cost price of the camera and the gain percent earned by the dealer. So all these questions are very important for your class 8 also, and all the competitive exams these type of questions comes. This I've told earlier also. So here the dealer sold a camera for rupees 1080 rupees. That means the selling price of the camera is rupees 1080. Now the gain, it is given that he is gaining 1/8 of the cost price, 1/8 of cost price. Now you have to find the cost price. So here you have to find out the cost price, and you have to also find out the gain percent earned by the dealer. So first we will take let our CP equals to X. So now it is given that the gain is 1/8 of CP. So that means your gain will be how much? 1 by 8 of X. Now you know that selling price is how much? Selling price is equals to cost price plus gain. So here you can put the values of these. So XCP is X and gain is X by 8. And SP is already given, that is 1080. So you can calculate the value of X here. So here your X will be 9x by 8. You can take LCM. So here it can be written as 8x plus x by 8. So it will be 9x by 8. And then it is 1080. So now you can cancel out this one. So here you will get 120. So now you can just multiply it. So 120 into 8 will be 960. So X will be 960. So that means the cost price will be rupees 960. Now first part we have calculated. Now the second part is finding the gain percent. So for finding the gain percent, you have to find the gain. So that you know is SP minus CP. So here your SP is how much? 1080 and CP is 960. So after calculating here you will get 120 will be your gain. Now gain percent, you know the formula, gain percent is gain divided by CP into 100. So you have all the values, so you can just put that values to get the answer. So CP is 960 into 100. So here we'll calculate. So the gain percent will be 12.5%. So here this is question number 17. Meenakshi sells a pen for rupees 54 and loses 1/10 of her outlay. Here this word is outlay. Outlay means in cost price. Okay, she is losing 1/10 of the cost price. Now you have to find out the cost price of the pen and also the loss percent. So here in this question also we will do the same as we have done in 16. So first we will let our CP be X. Okay, a few things which are given are right here. The selling price of the pen is given. Selling price is given rupees 54. Okay, and the loss is how much? 1/10 of CP. So that means we have taken CP as X, so it will be X by 10. So now what we have to find out? First we have to find out the cost price, and then we have to find out the loss percent. So same formula we will use here for SP. SP is equals to CP minus loss. So here you can just put the values. So we have X, CP is X, loss is X by 10, and SP is already given, that is 54. So you'll calculate it. So you will get here 9x by 10 equals to 54. So after calculating here you will get, you can cancel out this with this, so you will get 6. So here X will be 60. So X will be 60 rupees. That means your cost price is 60 rupees. Now you have to find out the loss percent. So first we will find out the loss and then the loss percent. So loss will be how much? You know that loss is CP minus SP. So here your CP is 60 rupees and This is 54. So overall loss is rupees 6. So now the loss percent will be how much? 6 divided by 60 into 100. Loss is 6 and the CP is 60. So here your answer will be 10%. So answer is 10% loss. So this is question number 18. A dealer gets rupees 940 more if instead of selling a table at a loss of 10%, it is sold at a gain of 10%. So you have to find the cost price of the table. So here what you have to see, suppose X is the cost price of something, okay, and then if it is sold at a loss of 10%, okay, if the loss is 10%, then there will be some SP. Now if the person sells it instead of 10% loss, he is selling it at 10% profit, then the difference between these two he is getting is rupees 940. Okay, so this is the meaning of the question. Means if the article is sold at 10% profit instead of 10% loss, then the difference between these two will be 940 rupees. So here you have to find out the cost price of the article. So now to solve this question, again what we will do, first we will take let the cost price be equals to X. And now you know the formula for selling price. If it is sold at a loss of, you can write it, if loss is 10%, then the selling price will be how much? CP into 1 minus loss percent by 100. Okay, so that will be X into 90 by 100. So this will be the selling price when the loss is 10%. Now we will find out the another selling price when the profit is 10%. So if profit is 10%, then what will be the selling price? So I am taking it selling price 2. Okay, so here the SP2 will be how much? That will be the cost price into 1 plus profit percent, you know the formula, by 100. So that will be X into 1 plus 10 by 100. So that will be X into 110 by 100. So these are the two selling price. Now the difference of these two selling price is how much? 940 rupees. So here the SP2 minus SP1 is equals to 940 rupees. So now you have to just calculate it to get the answer. So we have our first SP1, that is 110x by 100 minus 90x by 100. So equals to 940. Simply calculate it to get the value of X. So here you can take 100 LCM. So after taking that in the numerator, you will get 20. 110 minus 90 is 20 by 100 equals to 940. So here your X will be 940 into 100 divided by 20. So your answer will be 4700. So your cost price will be 4700 rupees. So cost price equals to rupees 4700. That's the answer of this question.